On behalf of Andhra Pradesh Police, I welcome each and every one of you who have gathered here this morning for this press meet. It's an annual roundup of the year 2020. And on behalf of Andhra Pradesh Police, we would like to present and state how the year has passed by, the various challenges the police went through during the year 2020, and the accomplishments and the achievements of the police on one hand. On the other hand, the challenges which the AP Police had faced through the year. మన అందరికీ తెలుసు 2020 was a very remarkable year. In fact, it was a year which really challenged the whole mankind because of COVID-19. That coronavirus suddenly emerged and took the whole world by surprise, and it took a lot for all of us to face the situation and overcome the challenge. And in this situation, which was a very unique and very unusual situation, which we all had to face, and I can say with pride that the government of Andhra Pradesh, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, have really responded to this emergent situation which challenged mankind, and all the instruments of governance, administration responded and took upon its challenge, and the manner in which Andhra Pradesh faced the situation and overcome it has been quite a remarkable performance, which has been really acknowledged across the country, whether it is the medical and health department, whether it is even the municipality, sanitary workers, all the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, ANMs, health workers, other health workers, including sanitary workers, and of course, as part of the frontline workers and warriors were the policemen. And we are really proud to say that Andhra Pradesh Police, ilanti kramamlo, ilanti challenge face chesi, ee challenge edurkovaram, ee challenge had no రూల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద గేమ్ ఎవరికి తెలియదు. అప్పటి వరకు SOPs లేదు, ఎట్లా ఎదుర్కోవాలి, ఇది సమస్య ఏమిటి, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వైరస్, దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సిచ్యువేషన్. అలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లో ముందు ఇట్ వాజ్ ద policemen and police women who was standing on the ground and making sure that everybody else is safe. Everybody stays at home and they are safe and they are not exposed to this danger of the coronavirus. Adi policemen standing on the roads was exposed to the danger. They were the ones who faced the danger. అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నారని అది తెలియక అలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో వాళ్ళు రోడ్ మీద నిలబడి డే అండ్ నైట్ డ్యూటీ చేసి అండ్ ఎన్ష్యూర్డ్ దట్ అదర్ సిటిజన్స్ ఆర్ సేఫ్. సో ఐఎమ్ రియలీ ప్రౌడ్ టు సే దట్ AP Police has exhibited the kind of professionalism and the bravery in the face of such kind of a situation of uncertainty. And more than 14,000 AP policemen have contracted this virus, but 20% of our force at that point of time got infected, and we also lost 109 policemen, including home guards, during this battle, during this war. So our salutation to the family of each and every COVID warrior martyrs. So that I thought should be the opening remark. If you look at that year's roundup, because ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితి చరిత్రలో ఒక 100 yearsలో ఒకసారి ఏదో రావచ్చు. మన లైఫ్ టైంలో it doesn't, not everybody's lifetime you see this kind of a challenge and a situation. And we have been able to very successfully respond to it and then come up with many solutions, many SOPs, then proactive measures. చాలా proactiveగా మన వాళ్ళు రియాక్ట్ అయ్యి స్టెప్స్ తీసుకున్నారు to contain and control this and overcome this challenge. Iroju, we are very comfortable situation as compared to, let's say, 5 months ago or even 4 months ago. So ఇంకా రాబోయే రోజులో ఇదే విధంగా మనం మెయింటైన్ చేసుకుని ముందుకు వెళ్తే I'm sure that AP state will be one of the states which will be very successfully be able to overcome as compared to the other states. So the credit goes surely to the government under the leadership of our Honorable CM and all the components and the people of Andhra Pradesh.